Hello and welcome to the Datsun 510 front steering knuckles product overview. So first we're going to go over the construction of them. They're just a full steel design out of one piece, relatively simple for an install. You got the 2 bolts for the strut, your tie rod hole, and your ball joint hole. Now we're going to compare these to the factory knuckle. So the factory knuckle and our knuckle are pretty similar overall, but you'll notice that ours have a shorter distance between the ball joint compared to the factory. The shorter distance between the ball joint and tie rod compared to the factory. And this is just so you have a quicker ratio. You're able to have less turns per your steering wheel, and it makes it for a lot more prompt responsiveness when you're turning your car. Now we offer the 10 millimeters shorter than factory and the 30 millimeters shorter than factory. The 10 millimeter is great if you're going to be daily driving it, you know, maybe some autocross, light work. You kind of have the best of both worlds. But the 30 millimeter is going to be kind of like the race only, or once you're at the track, then you only use the 30 millimeter. It's kind of unpredictable at highway speeds. Anything over 70 miles per hour is really twitchy. So we do recommend keeping the 30 millimeter only for road course and off-road use. And the 10 millimeter is fine for relatively daily driving. Now, the 510 steering knuckles compared to the 510 factory, they have the same ball joint taper. Essentially, you'll be able to reuse your factory ball joints, assuming they're the 12 millimeter ones, just on ours. And same thing with the tie rod tapers. The tie rod tapers are the same tie rod tapers as the factory ones. And so overall, it makes it for a relatively easy install. You don't have to upgrade to all our parts to be able to run it. You can just upgrade the knuckles and keep all your factory stuff, or buy our whole front kit. But besides that, these come zinc plated, so then they have corrosion resistance. You'll also see a mark on them. They'll point which side is in, but overall, they're relatively easy. Now we're gonna have an installation video for these. If you're interested in that, take a look at the video down there. And besides that, overall, it's a super simple product and it's really economical. For under 300 bucks, you can get a really performance-oriented upgrade for your Datsun 510. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.